are split pipe flanges, mostly cosmetic, and not intended to provide a water seal around a toilet base. Split pipe flanges are primarily a trim device that covers the visible gap where a toilet flange meets cut flooring and exposed pipe, and they do not replace a proper flange seal. Install by first ensuring the actual toilet flange is structurally sound and seated on the finished floor, or a proper flange extender if the floor is higher than the flange. Use a wax ring, wax-free seal, or compressed foam gasket sized for the flange and the toilet outlet. Press the toilet straight down to compress the seal evenly, and torque the closet bolts to manufacturer torque recommendations without rocking the bowl. After the toilet is secured and checked for leaks by running water and a dye test in the tank, fit the split pipe flange pieces around the pipe or flange, align the decorative screws or clips, and tighten only until snug to avoid deforming the trim. If the floor is uneven or there is a large gap, add a flange spacer or build up the floor locally before relying on trim for coverage. Always test for leaks at the base by observing for water after a 15-minute soak test, and check the finished gap periodically for signs of moisture staining that indicate a failed primary seal. Common mistakes include assuming the split pipe flange provides a watertight seal, which leads to undetected leaks and floor damage. The fix is to prioritize a proper flange and seal and use the trim only for appearance. Another issue is over-tightening the trim or clips, which can crack the piece or deform the underlying pipe. Instead, hand-tighten decorative fasteners and let the primary flange hardware carry structural loads. A third mistake is installing the trim before confirming the toilet seals correctly, creating a false sense of completion. Fit the decorative pieces last after conducting the leak tests and ensuring the flange height and seal are correct. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through project listings and leads. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members exchange practical tips, product experiences, and local contractor recommendations.